Hi, this is a video I've made for my patients on how to recover after shoulder surgery. Specifically, a lot of my patients will do home exercise programs where, in my mind, physical therapy is two things. One, exercising every day at home, 7 days a week, twice a day. To me, that's more important than going to a therapist's office, twice a week. What you do incrementally every day is more important than a couple of 1 hour visits, number one. Number two is a lot of postoperative shoulder surgery recovery can be really managed at home. I'd say 85% of everything you do to help you get better after surgery can be done at home. I'm going to show you a series of exercises that will guide you into how to most effectively recover your range of motion in a way that minimizes your pain through a series of very simple exercises. Here we go. So the first day or two or three, when the nerve block is still in your shoulder and you can't really raise your shoulder, your hand works, your elbow works, I want you to go ahead and grab a hand towel and squeeze it, wrist, elbow exercises. That's all you're going to do for the first 2 or 3 days. Once your shoulder gets past and comes back to life and the block wears off and gets past that initial numbing phase, okay, then you're going to need help for the first week. And what you're going to do is you're going to lie down on a table or a sofa or a bed, and you're going to have somebody take your hand, okay, your arm, support with one arm underneath the elbow and the other hand below the hand, okay, and basically what they're going to do is raise your arm slowly and carefully like this. And the goal here is not to go to pain, but just to go to where the person feels like they can comfortably and reasonably get. And the point of this exercise for the first week is to get further each day, okay? Twice a day you're going to do this, okay? That's exercise one, all right? So now you've done 2 weeks of this stretching exercise, what we call supine forward flexion. Then after 2 weeks, you're going to go from this passive motion where I'm raising it for you, or somebody's raising it for you, to active motion where you do it yourself in the same plane. And the things I want you to notice is that the thumb is up. When she's doing that, the thumb is up. And this is what is very important. The thumb must be up in all of these exercises. Okay? Good. So the other exercise, the second exercise you're going to do at the same time, okay, starting at the second week after surgery, is this called the elbow slide. It's not, you're not going to do it like the therapist does with a hand on the table. No. Again, here, thumbs up, and you're sliding your elbow. And what you're looking to do is get stretching through this area. You want to feel it down through that area there. That's the whole point of this exercise, is to stretch that out. And you're going to do that, again, 10 times, twice a day. Okay? Great. The third exercise, again, I want you to start this at 2 weeks after surgery, is the pulley. Okay? And this is one where initially the non-operated arm, this is the operated arm in this example. The non-operated arm is doing most of the work for the first 2 weeks. So 2 weeks after surgery, you'll start this. For 2 weeks, you'll do it where the non-operated arm is doing most of the work on this. And in this exercise, you're going to notice her thumbs up, her elbows relatively straight. Okay? And you want to bring that up, and you want to use the other arm to drive that. And again, the stretch here is right through there. That's what you're always trying to get the same look, same muscle stretch during this exercise. It's very important. After 2 weeks of doing this, so you start this at 2 weeks, and you do it for 2 weeks where the non-operated arm is doing most of the work, then you start to transition that so that the operated arm really is starting to help really get this arm moving as well, okay? And that's your third exercise for the home program.